is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. C is for cat, who likes to play. D is for dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat, that's fun and sweet. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for juice, good for your tummy. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, climbing the tree. N is for nest, for birds to see. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for panda, rolling on the ground. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, strong with might. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for